Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error code 267 in Roblox. So why does this error occur? This error occurs because your connection is not stable. So if you are using Wi-Fi, I would recommend switching to Ethernet or something a little bit more stable. And also I would recommend pressing the Windows key plus I. That will bring up settings. On the left hand side you're going to see something called system. Click on that, scroll down, and you're going to see something called troubleshoot. Click on that, and from here you're going to see other troubleshooters. Click on that, and from here you're going to see network and internet. Click on run on the right hand side. This will run the network troubleshooter. This might solve the problem. I hope this solves the problem. If it does, okay. If it doesn't, now you want to update and switch browsers if you're accessing the game through a browser. So if you're using Google Chrome, I recommend Microsoft Edge and vice versa. Also, I would recommend turning off any kind of ad blockers, and I would also recommend deleting cached files within Google Chrome. So here, go into the three little dots in Google Chrome, go to delete browsing data, and delete all of this. Click on delete data, there you go, and see if that fixes the issue. The next step would be to disable Windows security. So type in Windows and find Windows security right here. You're gonna see virus and threat protection here. Click on that, scroll down until you see virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. Under real-time protection, turn this off. Now go back, firewall and network protection, click on that, click on public network. And from here you want to click on Microsoft Defender Firewall, turn this off as well, and then run the game to see if that fixes the issue. And okay, the next step is to go into, again, settings, left hand side, go to apps. From here go to installed apps, and from here you can find Roblox installed on your system. From here, once you've found Roblox, click on three little dots on the right hand side, go to advanced settings, scroll down until you see repair and reset, and click both of them. This will take a couple of minutes to complete, but see if that fixes the issue. And the last step, you might be banned. If you think you might be banned, contact Roblox support and try to get yourself unbanned. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.